In March 2026, the CEO of Shopify plugged a USB drive into his laptop. On it, a raw MRI scan file, just a file full of medical imaging data. No instructions, no context. He opened an AI tool, typed one sentence, 15 minutes later, a fully working browser-based MRI viewer, built from scratch, completely functional, 33,000 likes, 6 million views. The tool he used is called Claude Code. And here's the part most people miss. You do not need to know how to code to use it. Non-technical people are using Claude Code right now to organize their entire computers, analyze thousands of emails, prepare text documents, and build personal tools that nobody would ever build for them. 63% of people using these tools have never written a line of code. Today, what it actually is, why it is different from regular Claude, 5 things non-coders are doing with it, and how to start in 3 steps. I'm Mario, this is AI by Mario, let us get into it. Claude.ai is a hotel room, clean, ready to go. But when you check out, you start completely fresh. No memory. Cannot access your files, great for quick visits. Claude Code is your own apartment. Access to your actual computer. Your real files. Runs tasks that take hours, not just one message at a time. The AI lives there with you. Plain English difference. Claude AI answers questions. Claude Code does things. It lives in your terminal. Just a text box that talks to your computer. Mac, Spotlight type terminal, Windows key type command. Just a window. You type, Claude responds. 5 things non-coders are doing with it right now. 1. File organization. Downloads folders with years of chaos. Type create subfolders by type, move everything, delete duplicates. Claude Code does it. Reports back, you did not touch a single file. Number 2, email analysis. Export your Gmail inbox, drop the file in which subject should it reply to, what topics come up most, 5,000 emails, 20 minutes, a full report. A data analyst would charge hundreds for this. 3. Tax and finance prep. Drop bank statements and receipts into a folder. Categorize expenses, flag tax deductible items, summary for my accountant. Every transaction read, every receipt categorized. Done. Note, Claude Code runs locally. Your data stays on your machine. Number 4, personal tools nobody would build for you. Word count tracker, price alert, habit logger. Describe it, Claude Code builds it. Runs on your computer, endures forever. No subscription, no app store, no developer needed. Number 5, content automation. Point it at your transcripts, write a LinkedIn post, Instagram caption, and tweet for each one. Match my style. What takes an afternoon, it's now 10 minutes. When to use each one. Simple rule. Claude AI, quick questions, writing tasks, one-off things. Claude Code, your actual files, large data, repeating tasks, things that run. Start with claude.ai. When you hit a wall, that is your signal. 3 steps to get started. 1. Claude Pro at claude.ai, $20 a month. Claude Code included. Number 2. Download at claude.ai/download, 2 minutes. Number 3. Open terminal. Type Claude, press enter. First task to try, completely safe, no changes made. Look at my downloads folder, how many files, what is the biggest and the oldest. When it reports back on your actual files, that is when it clicks. That is when you understand what this is. The Shopify CEO built an MRI viewer in 15 minutes. 5,000 emails analyzed in 20 minutes. Rakuten, a week's work done in 7 hours. None of this requires a degree. $20, 10-minute setup. What is the first thing you would hand off to Claude Code? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. Subscribe for more plain English AI every day. See you in the next one.